Hey, this is Lori from How to Howdy, and in this video I'm going to invite you into my dashboard of Speechelo, which is the newest text-to-speech software by the same people who brought you Thumbnail Blaster, Lingo Blaster 2, and City Blaster. So let's get right to it. So I've been excited for this to come out because I've seen a couple demos earlier, and it just is really, really good software, and the translations just sounds really good, and you will see how absolutely simple this is to do. Now, I went ahead and bought the basic Speechelo, which gives you 30 voices, and I upgraded to Pro, which gives you twice the amount of voices and also gives you a lot more verbiage you can use in each translation, and Speechelo Tube. And we're going to go over those a little bit later, but I just wanted to show you how easy this was. So this is how simple it is. You paste your text in here, and over here is the settings. This is where you set everything up. So I'm going to be using US English. They suggest you use AI voice, and there is some limitations. Click on here is only for specific languages and voices, but they say you should use it if it's an option because they built in the software to do pauses and breathing. They want it. They actually create it so it sounds really natural. But if you want to do editing and go in there and add breathing, emphasize words, or adjust the speech in any way, you can manually do that here. So let's say you want to say baby and you want to emphasize it. You just highlight it. Boom. Emphasize the word, boom, and it will emphasize the word baby. So you can edit that, and that's a great option. But they suggest just go ahead and choose the AI voice, yes, switch engine, because they say that it's designed to sound great with or without it. So you can choose. You can run it, try it. If you don't like it, you can go back and try it as standard. So here you can listen to the voices that are available.
Hi, I'm Billy.
Hi, I'm Ellie.
Okay, so I'm just going to try
Hi,
Rosie.
I'm Rosie.
Okay, let's try Rosie. So we're just going to use Rosie for this translation. And then you get to choose a normal tone, a friendly tone, or a serious tone. So I'm just going to try normal tone. So let's try that and generate it. Oop. What happened here? Oh, I've got to get rid of that. Okay, I see. Because there we go. That's good to know because it's got these emphasis in there. Let's get rid of that and see if that's going to work. They didn't like that because I actually used the standard, did some editing, and so let's see if that'll work. Aha, they didn't like that. Okay, good to know. So we're going to go here and say okay. And we're going to go down and listen to this.
As soon as you find out you're expecting a baby, you usually begin to go over the list in your head for the must-have items. On top of the essentials such as the
So you can see that sounds pretty good. Now, if you don't like it, you can go and try another voice. And when you do like it, well, you can delete it, or if you do like it, you just download it as an MP3, and it's ready to be uploaded for your usage. I think that sounded pretty good. I don't know about you, but I think that sounded pretty darn good. So let's go over the basic upgrades here. Speechelo is roughly $40 with tax. I went ahead and got that. You get 30 voices, and the problem with this one, I wouldn't say problem, the limit with this one is you only can do 700 words. So if you want to do something longer than this, then you have to upgrade to the Pro, which is unlimited words in your text-to-speech translation. So that would be an option if you think that you need longer verbiage. Now, you can avoid that if you want by just doing maybe, do run-on two MP3s together. Do the first one with 700 words, the second one with 700 words. That would be an option. But I got the Pro because you can also use this. It's a commercial license. You can use it to sell any text-to-speech that you create, and it also has some training that comes along how to generate income using this Pro feature. The next one that I think is really cool is the Speechelo Tube, and what that does is you basically just go in and you grab a video. Let me see if I still have, no, that's not it. That's bad. I shouldn't have done that. delete, 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 delete. So I need to go in here and grab a video, and let's paste that right here. And let's see what available captions are there. So there's an English one because it's off English, but I want to translate. And look at all the languages that I can translate it to. I can translate it to Korean, to Polish, to Portuguese. It reads the text, my caption, and it translates it to the language of your choice. So let's see what a German voice sounds like. So let's see, we're going to import this. We're going to do this in German. Okay. So the only limit that I have on this is you're going to have to go in and you're going to have to find, let's say you're using affiliate, let's say like I'm using Snatch It. I'm using the word Snatch It. I need to, there it is. Nope, see, they found it right there. They found it right there. But you might have to go in there and do some editing to make sure that some words aren't translated, like my channel name. So that's one thing you need to look for. So let's listen to the voiceover. You can choose, like here, you have some limitations. Martin.
Hallo, ich heiße Martin.
And
Hallo?
And let's listen to
Hallo, ich heiße Christine.
Let's do here. And as you can see, the AI voice isn't available. It's just the standard. So let's generate it. And here you can emphasize word, you can add breathing, you can adjust speech. But since I don't know German at all, there's not much I can do with that. But let's generate this. There we go. That didn't take too long. I'd say, what, about 15-20 seconds? So let's listen to this.
Musik, hey, das ist Lori von How to Howdy und in diesem wirklich schnellen Video werde ich eine Rezension und Demo von Snatch It machen.
Now, I can pretend that that sounds great because I don't know German, so I don't know. But I do speak a little Spanish. I should probably have done a little Spanish here. But if it sounds good, and you can either delete it or you can download it and utilize it. So I think that that is a great option. I think this one was $40. The YouTube translation was initial $40. So this was 40, this was 50, this was 40. So $140 for the whole thing. And I do think there's a limit. They said they're going to limit this option, the Speechelo tube. They're not going to sell it to everybody. So if you were to get this, I would absolutely go with the Pro because that allows you to get much better much longer details, much longer descriptions, and also get the commercial licensing and some special training. So I just think this is a phenomenal software. Text-to-speech can be expensive if you want to, pay for it like on Fiverr. And this is a really good, simple option, as you can see, to create text-to-speech translations on your websites, on your YouTube channel, which I think is great if you want to start another YouTube channel, specifically transfer your videos over there and start them and create them only in specific languages. That would be something to think about. But hopefully this was helpful. Like I said, I love this software. I think it's really top of the line, like all of their products. I think they do a really good job. And so I hope this was helpful, and really thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.